Hello students, my name is Dilkush Agarwal and currently I am pursuing BTech from IIT Raipur and I am engaging in teaching from past 1 year. Okay, then let's come today. Our topic is complex number. We will study the when we see about the complex number, then the first thing come in our mind is imaginary number. We can say that every number in the world or is a complex number. Now we had already studied about the up to the real number, but after the real number, the number that is exists in the world is complex number. Then for complex number, we have to study first the what is the imaginary number. Imaginary. Then for imaginary, we have to study that first what is the iota. This symbol is called iota, and the imaginary number is the square root of any real number. Okay, then iota is equals to under root of -1. This is the thing. And another one, we can say that we could not multiply like root minus a multiply root minus b is equals to root ab. We can't say this in complex numbers. In complex numbers. Now the form of complex numbers. Form of complex number. The form of complex number, like z is a complex number with x plus iota y, where x is the real part of z and y is the imaginary part of z. Okay, now we study the conjugate of z, which is a complex number. Then conjugate of z is equals to z bar, and if z is equals to x plus iota y, then we can say z bar is equals to x minus iota y. Okay, this is the things. Now move forward. Now come to the algebra of complex numbers. Algebra of complex numbers. Now, if z1 is equals to a plus iota b and z2 is equals to a minus iota c minus c plus iota d, then z1 plus z2 is simply the summation of the real part of z and a plus c plus the summation of imaginary part iota b plus iota d, then it is iota b plus d. And for minus, this is also same, this is for minus. And if we will multiply z1 into z2, then it is equals to like this, a plus iota b multiplied by c plus iota d. Okay, then multiply like we multiply the real numbers. First multiply a with c plus iota d, then multiply iota d with c plus iota d. Now this is AC plus iota AD plus iota d multiply c plus iota multiply iota is equals to iota square, and we know that if iota is equals to root minus 1, then iota square is equals to minus 1. So iota and iota is equals to iota square equals minus 1, then it is equals to minus dd. Now let's AC and BD को एक साथ लेते हैं, then AC minus BD plus take common iota and it is equals to AD plus BC. And this is the solution of Z1 multiplied by Z2. For Z1 divided by Z2, it is equals to Z1 is the A plus iota B, A plus iota B, and Z2 is equals to C plus iota D. Okay, for this multiplication we have to multiply the denominator with the conjugate of denominator, which is equals to C minus iota D divided by same number, C minus iota D, and this is the answer of Z1 divided by Z2. Okay, now come toward the positive integral of iota. This is positive integral of iota. Positive integral of iota, ठीक है. So for positive integral of iota की पावर 4k, iota की पावर 4k is equals to 1, and iota की पावर 4k plus 1 is equals to iota, and iota की पावर 4k plus 2 is equals to minus 1, and iota की पावर 4k plus 3 is equals to minus iota. Then we can learn this 1 iota minus 1 minus iota. Okay, now come towards the what is the Argand plane. For first we study modulus of complex number, modulus of complex number. Okay, now we all know that modulus of a real number x is equals to x if x is greater than 0, and it is equals to minus x if x is less than 0 or x is negative. And the same thing here, if we solve the mod z, we find out mod z, then mod z equals to under root of x square plus y square if z is equals to x plus iota y. It means mod z is equals to real part of z का square plus imaginary part of z का square. Now we will study an Argand plane. What is Argand plane? The Argand plane, and we also call Argand plane and we also called it a Gaussian plane. Gaussian plane. Now, what is Argand plane? We see this is axis. Then this horizontal axis is positive real axis. Positive real axis, and this is positive imaginary axis. Now, for mode Z, we see what is mode Z is like mode Z is root x square plus y square. It is showing the mode Z is the distance of point Z from origin. This is the mode Z. If the coordinates of this is x and y. This x is real axis and y is imaginary axis. The coordinate of imaginary axis. Then this is the point Z and this is the Z bar. Now come toward the one example for complex numbers. Now example. Now one example is if 1 plus iota multiply 1 plus 2 iota till 1 plus n iota is equals to a plus b iota. Okay, then find the value of 2 multiply 5 multiply 10 till 1 plus n square Okay, now for the solution of this, we take conjugate of each one. The conjugate of 1 plus iota is 1 minus iota, and the conjugate of 1 plus 2 iota is 1 minus 2 iota. Till if we find the conjugate of 1 plus n iota, then it is equals to 1 minus n iota. Now is equals to the iota. This is the, we also find the conjugate of this. Then a plus b iota. The conjugate of this is a minus b iota. Now put this equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now by multiplying equation 1 and 2, we get 1 plus iota and 1 minus iota is equals to 1 minus iota 1 square minus iota whole square. Then 1 का square equals to 1 and minus का minus और iota का square minus 1. तो minus 1 और minus plus 1. This is equals to 1 plus 1 2. We find 2 here, and so like this 1 plus 2 iota and 1 minus 2 iota, it is equals to a plus b and a minus b. Then a plus b and multiply a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Then 1 multiply 1 का square 1 square and 2 iota multiply 2 iota. Then it is equals to 4 iota square. And we know that iota square equals to minus 1. Then it is equals to minus 4 and minus 4 and minus plus 4. Then 1 plus 4 5. It is equals to 2. Like this. Here we can say it is 10 and so on, it is equals to 1 plus n square. And if we find the multiplication of a plus b iota and a minus b iota, then here is also the formula we applied is a plus b and a minus b. Then it is equals to a square plus b square. Then it is our answer, a square plus b square. So like this we can study the complex number. This is one example, and thank you.